I told myself that it's time. It's time to lose weight. As a businesswoman and a mom, there comes great responsibility.
So kahit anong try ko ng diet, wala talaga. And then na-diagnose din ako na may PCOS.
I'm having hard time losing weight, no? Tapos yung craving ko talaga, tuloy-tuloy.
Third baby ko, doon ako nag-start pag-struggle talaga ng pag-lose ng weight.
Tapos yung work ko parang sedentary lang siya, more on upo-upo. So talagang wala akong exercise.
Sobrang hirap magkaroon ng time to exercise at least man lang once a day.
The main problem with me is I don't have the time and energy in focusing in my weight loss goals. Yeah, so gradually I added Sexy Lab Slimming treatment in my daily routine.
At first, hesitate akong gamitin kasi nga marami na akong na-try.
Na-introduce sa akin ang Sexy Love. Nawala yung cravings ko, na-lose yung weight ko even without exercise. Pero syempre, no, we need to do exercise, self-discipline na rin.
Nagkaroon na ng unti-unti na pagbaba ng timbang ko. So meron silang binigay sa akin na parang whole plan for losing weight.
I told myself that it's time. It's time to lose weight.
Mas okay yung baguhin yung lifestyle.
Natulungan niya akong mabawas yung craving ko, na-lose yung weight ko. Itutuloy ko pa rin yung exercise and self-discipline sa pagkain po.
It's a big help in my weight loss journey.
And I